In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on T-Mobile US stock. And this stock has broken down from an important support level. And along with that, there are multiple negative factors which has already been triggered, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock before a big correction get triggered on the downside. And if you are on the buy side and you are on the profit, then this is a perfect time to book your profit before your profit get wiped out. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you will find that this is in bottom where the stock has given an upside massive rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. As long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, there was a back-to-back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher rise registered here, the second higher rise here, and the third higher rise here. And as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, the first time its higher highs sequence shifted into an lower lows. And this is a confirmation, this is a point where the things get changed. This is a point where we got a confirmation that stock is officially under correction. Here we got a two major negative signal. The first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, and the second negative signal is higher highs shifted to lower lows. And if you'll see the third negative signal, if you'll put an RSI, you will find even the diversion is showing a negative diversion. If you'll see over here, there is an higher highs on the chart, but the same thing is missing out on the RSI. It's in flat on RSI, and this is an area where we got a breakdown, and it's going to pump and downside momentum. And now if you'll see the fourth negative signal, and that will be a negative chart pattern. If you make a closer look over here, my dear friends, you will able to witness the negative chart pattern, head and shoulder pattern. If you'll see over here, I'll show it to you. This is an head and shoulder pattern. It's a very dangerous negative pattern. Whenever this pattern emerge, the stock get massive correction on the downside. So if you are on the positive side, if you are on the buy side for a short term, watch out carefully, because this stock will going to start the correction on the downside. And now my dear friends, we will notice, if you'll see, the stock has already broken down from the neckline. This is a neckline which has already been triggered on the downside, and now the first correction on the very soon we'll witness this stock will be reaching at $180. This will be the first target, and the second target will be $175. And unless and until the stock, this is a right shoulder, and this is an area where it will be an stop loss for the short seller. And my dear friends, this area will act as an important resistance zone. This neckline has turned now into an important resistance. So far it was in support, now it has turned into an important resistance. And now whenever you will find, because the stock has fallen down since from a very long time, so there is a possibility that its RSI is oversold, and due to oversold RSI, you may be facing a bounce from here. So if you get a bounce, don't think that the upside is resumed unless and until you won't get closing above this level. If you'll see any bounce on the stock, use that bounce as an opportunity to short sell. As far as the stock will under this red line, as far as the stock is under to this red line, and you find any bounce over here, that you have to use it as an opportunity to short sell. So now the strategy will be sell on rise strategy. Whenever you find that stock is coming near to this red line and it's facing a rejection, it's facing a resistance near this red line, you take that as an opportunity to short sell for a downside move to this area, to the green. This green line will be our target. So my dear friend, this is it for today's And if you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.